Good day, my name is Vishodhan, and today I'll be presenting about building information modeling, which is BIM. And in BIM there are a lot of softwares, and one of the software that we have used to develop a house plan is Revit. And in the pursuit of building this house plan, we have covered three major plans, which is the architectural plan, the structural plan, and also the plumbing plan, which is in the architectural plan. Hence, I'll start up by showing and presenting about the architectural plan. So as you can see here, we are at the east elevation at my architectural plan, and the first step in making to go about the architectural plan is to determine how many levels the building should be and to add levels to it. So adding levels will be as easy as this, as I'm showing right here. So, and you can see there's level 7 being added already, and that's how easy it is to add a level. So with that being said, I'll move on to the second aspect, which is to add a grid line. So to add a grid line, I'll just go to ground floor and click on grid line, and you can just drag it to add a grid line. And now that the grid line has been added, I'll show you how to build a wall on it. And this is how easy it is to build a wall. So now the wall has been built. We can also build a window on it, and followed by that we can add a door to it. So now you can see these are the three major elements when it comes to any architectural plan. These are the three things that you'll see in most of the architectural plan, including stairs as well, if your building has more than one level, of course. And now we'll just look at it at the 3D plan. As you can see, this what we have drawn earlier has became into a 3D plan. So that's for architectural plan. And now I'll move on to the structural plan. So for structural plan normally consists of 4 major elements, which is first the footing, which is down here, footing or the foundation, and then the beams. The beams are the structural components which are horizontally laid. So these are the beams, and the columns are structural components which are vertically imposed into the structure. And there's the fourth element, which is important, is slab. So you can see that the slab are in between the beams. And that's all for the structural plan. And you can see the structural plan at east elevation, north elevation, and you can see the foundation, first floor as well. Alright, and now I'll be moving on to the plumbing. So for plumbing, this is the 3D view of the plumbing. And for plumbing, we have two water systems normally, which is cold water system and hot water system. And for this plan, we have only used the cold water system. So cold water system is normally in blue color. The pipelines are in blue color. If there's hot water system will be in red color. And you can see that from the water tank, cold water system, the water is being distributed to the sink and also to the toilet bowls. And from the toilet bowls, you can see the sewage pipe, which is at green color, and the green box is called the sewage tank. So this the black water, which is sewage water, will be stored in the sewage tank before being discharged. And with that being said, I'll just move on to, I'll show you the north elevation. So this is the north elevation of the same plumbing plan. And with that being said, I'll just move on to the assignments, which is my lab work 2. So lab work 2 is the interception between components in Revit. So for example, here the wall is being intercepted with a column, and for this, to avoid this, you can just pull the wall aside. So that's all. And then here there's also a column being intercepted with the wall, and whenever you see an interception, you'll see this orange color box around it, and that's how you determine whether it's an interception or not. Okay, and then here is the same. The column is blocked, the wall and the column is being intercepted, and here the pipe is being intercepted. So you have to just accordingly remove it from the interception point. Alright, and now moving on to lab work 3. So lab work 3 is about costing. So this is the structural framing material takeoff, and you can see the pricing here, and you have to follow these steps as well when you're doing the bill of quantities. So here the all steps, and then you'll get the price. And then for this one is also the pricing for the pipeline pricing. And this one at last you can see is the total cost that will be involved in purchasing pipeline for the house plan. And this is a door schedule, you can see that as well. So that's all from me. With all being said, I hope you like this video, and thank you very much.